Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com, and what we got here is the Black Shark. Well, it's not actually Xiaomi's Black Shark. Black Shark is another company that is there's got a huge investment by Xiaomi. You may call it as a daughter company, but it actually is not. Anyway, Black Shark, that's what it's called. And right next to it is the new Joystick pad designed specifically for the Shark phone. That's a weird name. Anyway, let's go ahead with the packaging. This is the black and green packaging. It's a pretty common combination, although it is best known by the Razer phone. This is not the limited edition, but you know how Razers look like with the Razer laptops with the green lightings. Anyway, this is the packaging. Opening it up gives us a little paper that says, "You're a gamer." No, you're a gamer. Let's Shark. Whatever that means. Under that is the phone itself. Right there. We're going to put it here. Originally they had two colors, black and a silverish gray one. Now they offer blue one as well. Under that is a little tray that says Black Shark Design, and inside packaging is the warranty guide, quick start guide, screen protector, a case, a little case with the center wide open. That probably is due to rather interesting design of the phone itself and to let the heat out. This is like a ventilation space right there. And this is actually very nice detail inside with the little pattern that you can also find on the phone, embraced on the case, along with the Black Shark naming and the logo right there. Under that is a power adapter right there. 5 volts 3A, 9 volts 2A, and 12 volts 1.5A. So that is Quick Charge 3.0 and cable case. I don't know what that is. Cable case. That's cable. And this is case. It rather looks like a USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, meaning that the phone does not have such jack built inside. And this is Type-A to Type-C cable. I still don't know why they say cable case. Is this a case? I'm not sure. All right, to the phone. Taking it out of the plastic wrapper, we have the phone. It's 5.99 inches of a display, Full HD Plus IPS panel, capable of DCI-P3, 97% of it. Receiver that also acts as a stereo speaker on top. 20 megapixel front-facing camera along with the home button. It's not exactly a button, home key / fingerprint reader right there. And there is hidden buttons left and right of it. You can either set it into back, home, and multitasking, or the other way around. On the right hand side, you have the power key, volume rocker, and the entire phone is finished with the green rim around it. On top, there's nothing. On left is a little trigger right there, a little slider that sets the phone into the Shark mode, meaning that you will be entering the game mode that's going to put in all the performances and lock the hardware keys so you don't get out of the game accidentally. And on top of that is the SIM card tray. This is dual SIM capable, so you can put 2 SIM cards right there. On the bottom, you get to have the USB Type-C port, speaker, and probably microphone is hidden right under there. On the back, you can find 12 megapixels and 20 megapixel camera, both of them in f1.75 aperture. LED flash right there, secondary microphone. This is designed to deliver your voice better in the voice chats within the game. And there is the Shark logo that also lights up, and the Black Shark logo plate right there. Now, we're gonna turn the phone on and you can see the Black Shark logo, and yes, it does have a separate notification LED right there on top as well. And here we are with the language settings, so we're going to choose English and skip through all the setting processes. All right, here we are in the launcher, and this is called the Joy UI. It's themed with black and green, just like the phone's color, and you can see a little bit of Xiaomi influences here and there, so to say MIUI influences. Mi File Manager and the Xiaomi Store app is pre-installed. The screen itself looks pretty nice, and there's screen color mode from Cinema, Natural to Eye Care mode, and there's a color temperature setting, and it's got a dedicated MEMC ISP to give you better performance and crispier colors. I don't know it for sure yet, but I think I'm seeing some kind of the jello effect as seen from OnePlus 5. We'll take a closer look later. And there's an interesting smart dock feature, so you can swipe on this touchpad to bring out the dock from side of your phone. Enough with the phone, now it's time to move on to the Joystick. The official price of this is 179 Chinese yuan, so that's around 28 bucks, 27 bucks, let's just call it 30 bucks. Around 30 bucks. This is how it looks like. This is a one-sided joystick. So there's a little, the arrow key, the arrow pad, the power key, Black Shark logo, and 2 trigger buttons, interestingly, and a button that I don't know or what is for. Oh, it's a hardware key that releases the joystick. And the back panel, you have a Black Shark logo with the little grippy finish right there, and a USB-C port on the bottom finished with a green tint that can charge your joystick because this is connected via Bluetooth. So if you want to use it, you have to install the case onto the phone, and you can attach it in right side of your phone. So once you do that, you can pair it up in the Bluetooth menu. You can turn it on, give it a few seconds, and here is a gamepad. So you tap on it, and it's paired. So you can start navigating. And that obviously is going to work the best in the gaming mode. So you can slide this button and it's going to enter the game mode, Shark Space. Here's a little intro, start. And if you have any games installed, it's going to show up right there. And when you're in this particular mode, it means that you're playing game and you don't want to leave the game accidentally by pressing the home key. Instead, you have to slide this back to get back to home screen. So while it has the same Snapdragon 845 like other flagship smartphones, it's got the vapor chamber inside. It means that it's water cooled, sort of. So its CPU is claimed to be 8 degrees Celsius cooler than the other phones, and it's got a pretty generous 4000 mAh battery inside. It comes in 3 different configurations: 6GB of RAM with 64GB of storage, 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM with 256GB of built-in storage. The base model starts at 3000 Chinese yuan, that's around $450 and the top model is 4,000 Chinese yuan, which is a hair over $600. So that was the unboxing and very quick look on the Black Shark, the gaming phone. We'll see how it performs in gaming and some basic features like camera, display, battery life, and the audio quality as well. We'll get back with the review hopefully very soon. Stay tuned. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.